Right. Good morning, everybody. I hope this rather early start has not affected some of us. I think probably Raksha Bandhan may have been one of the reasons why we start the day. Those of you who are not familiar, our international visitors. Today being a day where, in fact, the festival where a sister ties a Rakhi to her brother and the brother sort of responds. And a lot of families wait for this day. So it's quite possible that some of that ceremony is happening in the morning, and hopefully we'll have a fuller hall after that. So really welcome to this inaugural DMA Convention 2012. When Sanjeev Swaroop and Vatsal actually approached me to be co-chair of this convention, I had no idea about the implications of the word inaugural, because I know that all good things have to have a start, but the challenges involved in inaugural are probably something you discover as you go along. Of course, there is that huge, passionate body of DM professionals who understand about DMA and are familiar about DMA. And then my job was, as an outsider, since I happen to be not from within the community, I happen to be somebody who's been in a related space in advertising all my life. And I really felt that it's a great opportunity to bring in a view which will also in some way see this community in India getting into an even larger role than what is already being played. So here, I need to introduce myself. My name is Ajay Chandwani. I'm director with Percept and was their CEO for 4 years until 2009, and was a director with Lowell Lintaz for many years and worked with Unilever for a long time, and also founded SSCNB Lintaz, which was a 100% subsidiary. And my involvement with awards goes back to 1996, when the agency which I founded won India's first Gold Lion at the Cannes Festival. And that was something that got me interested, that when creative people actually get the oxygen called an award, suddenly the client's getting better work. And that's something that I think we have seen that happen, and it's my involvement with the Ad Club as their management committee member for the last decade, 7 years of which I chaired the Abbey Awards judging, where I continue to be a part of the awards governing council at the Goa Fest. And that event has about 4,000 odd delegates, in fact, on the beaches of Goa. It's a 2-day thing with international visitors. It's now become so large in scale with 16 verticals. And direct, by the way, is a very important vertical there. And because of my involvement with lots of direct professionals with the Goa Fest, I now have some familiarity with this space. When we were, in fact, brainstorming, Sanjeev, Vatsal, and others, and of course, Vin, my co-chair, we realized that there has to be a strong content and theme, which is not general. There have been too many conventions. There's lots of tech-related stuff. There's also a lot of direct-related stuff. And then social media has been done to a large extent. So we said, let's really arrive at a content and theme. And with the view, by the way, when we say DM, in my mind, DM is not just direct, it's also digital. So to my mind, here were these two very core sort of domains which were doing so much of similarity in terms of there was convergence and there was blurring and so much of one-on-one communication that I really felt that some of the buckets like your lead generation, acquisition, engagement, and creativity, some of these could really be tackled in this. And in order to do that, some of the shortlisted themes that we said, I must mention this because that will explain why we are saying marketing made smarter, was ROI marketing, something which some of the clients and users felt we are all about ROI marketing. And of course, there was the cliched direct marketing for results, which again would have been more of the same. And there was another, in fact, financially oriented client who said it should be accountable marketing. We should talk about accountable marketing or measurement. So eventually, after a lot of discussion, the reason we chose marketing made smarter was we felt that it's not the discipline, it's not the medium, it's not the platform that's important. We're really about platform agnostic, we're really about media neutral, and we're really about convergence. And therefore, in that context, let's talk about response and response based on smart marketing. So we really overarched. I'd be very happy if we achieve 3 objectives of this convention. One, that we are about smart marketing and not media or platform neutral. We are about response and effectiveness and results, of course. But we're also about convergence of different marketing disciplines with direct and digital being the core. And in this context, all that you're going to see here, touch, feel over the next couple of days is really going to be in this space, in this experience. So I really want to welcome, in this context, all those involved with this. Most important is also the inaugural year for the DMAI Award. We all know about the ECHO, more about that Louisa, in fact, and Win will also touch upon the importance of the ECHO, which is the Oscar of DM in the world. We really have the DMAI Award in its first year, and my job was to really galvanize people to participate and the jury to be involved. So I really want to thank the delegates, the knowledge seekers, the knowledge sharers, the speakers, of course, our visitors from so many countries and from other parts of India, the award participants and the jury members, and of course, we also have the Hall of Fame in the evening, and the students in the back end, and of course, Vatsalan. It's not a vote of thanks, but a welcome. Thank you very much.